Are you still tracking student attendance manually? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can build this automatic Excel attendance tracker. Alright, so without spending much more time, let's get started. What you need to do here is just to select attendance cells from Monday to Friday like this. Then you need to come and click on data here. Do you see? After this, we come and click on validation, data validation here. Do you see? On data validation, click on this arrow or just drop down, then you click on data validation here. You will get this option here. On the arrow vary, we choose list. Do you see? We need to choose this list, and then here on data, we just write present or absent like this. To mean that we are going to select whether student is present or absent. Then you click here OK. As you see, automatically here there is drop down showing either present or absent. So this is what you are going to use. So what you need to do is just to click here now. For example, present. If is present, once you select here, we'll get also that drop down absent. As you see, this is faster than previous one. Do you see? Like this, we fill data like this in a simple way. Then after filling your data by specifying whether student is present or absent, now you need to count number of present and absent for each student in a week. Yes, to count number of present for each student, we write equal, then use COUNTIF function in brackets, then we specify range. Here we will start from Monday, to mean that is B3. Here is B3, then comma up to Friday, which is this one, to mean that will be F3. So we write F3 as you see here, but here is double dot not comma, and then put comma here, and we specify what we are going to count, and remember is number of present. So we write P here, then we click enter. After specifying this range, we click enter here, and then as you see, it count number of present 1, 2, 3 as you see. Then we mouse over here and scroll down. For each cell will automatically count number of present. For here 1, 2, 3, 4 as you see, print for here 1, 2, print 2, and so on and so forth. Here we have only one, this one. So as you see, this is a simple way of tracking student attendance list in just few seconds. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you will get notification automatically. So see you in the next lesson.